Hi everyone, my name is Vince, real estate salesperson here in the Philippines, and I'm actually currently connected with Philippine Homes, and I'm more than happy to help you out and guide you with your real estate investment. For today's topic, um, yung ibibigay ko ng mga topic is napakadami pa kasi mga investors na hindi alam ito or napakadami pang gustong mag-invest ng property na hindi pa alam itong strategy na to. So explain ko lang kung ano yung kitaan dito. So there are actually three ways on how you will going to earn um, using this business. So one of the best example is actually condo units. And first is i-explain ko sa inyo yung sample computation. So this sample computation was actually being provided by the developers or one of the developer here in Cagayan de Oro City rather. And sa makikita nyo, so let's say for example, yung monthly amortization ng condo unit na to is 15,000. And assuming that the internet bill is gonna be 1,200 and the water bill is 1,200 and electric bill is amounting to 4,000 and miscellaneous fees it's gonna be 1,500. So, if you will going to sum it up, yung magiging um, monthly mo is, grab ko lang yung calculator sandali, 4,000 and then 1,500, it's gonna be 22,900. So, paano mo to siya mababawi? So, ang ways na para mabawi mo to siya is you can actually use platforms such as Airbnb, Rent.ph, and any other platforms where you can advertise your unit. And usually yung rate kasi dito sa CDO is 1,900 ranging to 2,500 to 3,000. So let's say for example, assuming that 2,000 yung ano mo, yung daily rate mo, if you will going to sum it up, let's say for example, that's 25 days pa lang yan. How much more kung 30 days yung ang nabook na days mo? So, assuming that your gross income is amounting to 50,000, then yung net profit mo is 27,000. So, kumita ka na sa monthly amortization, nabayaran mo na yung monthly amortization mo, plus meron ka pang net profit amounting to 27,000 plus yung market value pa ng property. So for example, bumili ka ng property, yung worth ng property na binili mo is amounting to 2,900,000 something. 2 to 3 years from now, that's gonna be amounting to 5 to 6 million na. So, triple yung kitaan mo. One is actually covers your monthly amortization. Second is actually yung net profit mo o yung um, clean na money na matatanggap mo. At saka third is yung market value, yung price mismo ng condo, tumataas yung value kapag binenta mo siya. So, marami pa kasing hindi nakakaalam ng strategy na to. So, I really wanted to give you this information because this is actually one of the strategy that you can apply if you're interested to start this business. So, kung meron man kayong kakilala na gustong um, mag start ng business na ganito, you can just PM me. You can just contact my number. So it's gonna be 0927-7788-680. So marami akong property na pwedeng mai-offer sa inyo at saka pati din sa mga houses. Kaya i-PM nyo na yung mga kakilala nyo na gustong um, mag-avail ng ganitong business. Kasi sa real estate kasi, dito lang talaga tayo yayaman, guys. So, bale, yung puhunan mo is yung equity lang. Pagkatapos, pag nag-start na siya ng monthly amortization, pag andyan na yung property mo, na-approve na siya sa bank, pwede mo na siyang parentahan. Tsaka yung net profit mo, yun yung ka-cover sa sa mga puhunan na nagastos mo sa pag semi-furnish at saka sa equity na nabayad mo. Kaya yun lang guys. Bye.